Is it time to buy or sell Monopar Therapeutics stock? In this video, we will explore Monopar Therapeutics in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even deeper analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2024, our system has ranked Monopar Therapeutics as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.66. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 642.54% since we initially designated Monopar Therapeutics as a buy candidate 52 days ago. This equates to an average return of 12.36% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and expansive upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trajectory. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 38% over the next 3 months, with an expected return that could range from a decline of nearly 60% to a rise of over 160%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 17% over the coming year, with a potential return varying from a drop of nearly 90% to an increase of over 125%. This implies a price range between $1.71 and $38.23 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Monopar Therapeutics features the headline, "Volatile Ride for Monopar Therapeutics Incorporated Stock Price on Friday, moving between $16.87 and $26.85. The Monopar Therapeutics Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 48.16% on the last day, which was Friday, the 25th of October, 2024, dropping from $32.66 to $16.93. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 59.16%, reaching a day low of $16.87 and a day high of $26.85. Although the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 207.82% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 16 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $55,006,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $38.50, while the lowest price was 27.4 cents. Currently, the price is 56.3%, or $21.57, below the 52-week high, and 64.73%, or $31.07, below the all-time high reached on December 20th, 2019, when the price hit $48. Monopar Therapeutics stock, trading under the symbol MNPR, has experienced a remarkable surge, skyrocketing over 400% today, following a significant licensing deal with AstraZeneca for a late-stage drug candidate aimed at treating Wilson disease. This agreement marks a pivotal shift in Monopar's trajectory, enhancing its portfolio and positioning within the highly competitive pharmaceutical landscape. The company is now responsible for the global development of the drug, which addresses a critical need in the treatment of this rare genetic disorder. In the short term, this licensing deal is likely to attract considerable investor interest, as seen in the trading volume exceeding 10 million shares, far surpassing its usual 800,000. Such a spike not only reflects immediate market excitement, but could also solidify MNPR's standing as a promising player in rare disease therapies. In the long run, this development, along with other recent advancements in clinical trials and patent filings, may strengthen Monopar's credibility and future revenue potential. The completion of its ongoing Phase 3 trials could validate its focus on innovative treatments and safety profiles, potentially leading to FDA approval for its candidates. However, success in the pharmaceutical industry involves inherent risks, including regulatory hurdles and market competition, which investors should monitor closely. Overall, the momentum gained from this deal could pave the way for sustained growth in an MNPR stock value moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Rodman and Renshaw assigned MNPR a buy grade with an initialize action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned MNPR a buy grade but with a hold action. On Thursday, the 28th of January, 2021, it was reported that Roth Capital gave MNPR a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Monopar Therapeutics stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book value as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Monopar Therapeutics. The stock of Monopar Therapeutics Inc. displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at levels of $10.85 and $5.91. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, October 24, 2024, with a subsequent decline of 48.16%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Monopar Therapeutics. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock exhibits high volatility, with substantial fluctuations throughout the day. Given the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by nearly $10 between its high and low points, which is a notable increase of over 59%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been approximately 157%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Monopar Therapeutics, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at negative $0.46. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Monopar Therapeutics. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and utilize volume as a guide for your exit strategy. Conversely, there is also no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Therefore, it is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Monopar Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th day of September, in the year 2024, Robinson Chandler executed an insider purchase of 4,895 shares of common stock. On the same day, Robinson Chandler also carried out an insider sale of 1,918 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that same date, Robinson Chandler conducted an insider sale of 4,895 shares of restricted stock units. On the 30th of September, 2024, Citadine Andrew made an insider purchase of 1,791 shares of common stock. On that same day, Citadine Andrew also executed an insider sale of 535 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 24.322. In total, insiders acquired 659,874 shares, while selling 450,481 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.96. Reflecting a decrease of 5.74%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Monopar Therapeutics stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this might be a good buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Monopar Therapeutics Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our assessment for this stock since the last review, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of October, we anticipate that Monopar Therapeutics will open at $3.29 and begin trading at $20.22. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to engaging in any buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.